My name is Andy, I'm from Madrid, and we watched a film called Pitch Perfect, and it's about a college, a music college, where there are several groups of people that sing songs together. So it's like a kind of competition, and they try to win the final one. So the main character is a girl called Becca, and she loves doing DJ stuff and these things, but she also sings very well. So she tries to enter in some groups, and she decided to enter in Bella's one, that is one of the most famous.
Did you enjoy the film?
Yes, it's very good.
All right, very good. Say goodbye.